Greetings everyone, Bohemian here. I hope everyone had a decent Memorial Day, even though many of us were still in lockdown. Subject of today's video is nVidia has released a newer, improved remote control for the old Shield. This is it right here. We're going to take a look at it. Now, the nVidia Shield is one of the world's finest and most powerful video streaming devices. It uses the Google Android TV system, though one of the weaknesses of the nVidia Shield has always been this old remote control here. It's only got a few buttons on it. Microphone up here at the top, your typical direction pad and OK button in the center, return button, home screen button, microphone button, and a volume slide trackpad type thingy. And that's all it had. Now, this is the new nVidia Shield remote, just received earlier this week. Box is a little beat up, not sure whether to blame FedEx for that or to blame nVidia for shipping it in nothing but a bubble envelope, but it is what it is. We are going to cut this open and see what's in the box. Okay, here we have a little bit of an instruction sheet, and not really a manual, an instruction sheet with a quick start guide, support guide for any problems that might arise, and here is the remote itself. Now, the box said it has batteries included. I guess they are inside the remote in the first place. But we have a power on button for the first time. That looks like a little menu button, your directional trackpad with OK button, the return button, the home button, a fast forward button, microphone button, play pause button, volume up, volume down, rewind button, and Netflix button. Fairly simple, but many more buttons available than on the old remote. I mean, I'm not going to say I hate the old remote. Let's just say I'm not fond of it. Now, before we actually start trying this out, I should make note of the triangular shape of this remote. It kind of interferes with something I like to do. I like to leave the remote sitting on the coffee table and just press the buttons on the coffee table rather than picking up the remote and pressing the buttons then. That's not really something I can do here anymore with this shape. I mean, unless I put another finger behind it and strategically hold it in place while I press the button on the remote. That's more trouble than it's worth, and I'll probably end up picking up this remote to use it. Now, I do have to admit, it does feel pretty natural in the hand, more so than most regular remotes like these two. But since I've got this thing on, let's try out Google Assistant. What's the weather?
Currently in Cottleville, it's 83 degrees and mostly cloudy. Today, there will be thunderstorms with a forecasted high of 85 and a low of 69.
Cool. I'm using the new remote right now instead of the old one. And I'm going to bring up one of my videos on YouTube so I don't get hit with a copyright violation flag. Got the mute button on just so I don't get a copyright strike on my own video. But let's see how these transport controls work. Play pause. Awesome. Fast forward. Awesome. Rewind. Awesome. Let's see what the volume up and volume down button do. Yes, volume up is actually controlling the volume on my surround receiver. That's nice. Wasn't even saying anything about that in the setup menu. I like that. Volume down button works too. And let's head back to the home screen. forgot the Netflix button. Let's try that. Okay, no problem bringing up Netflix either. All right, awesome. Oh, and I should also mention this remote has backlighting. How about that? But from now on, looks like I might be using the nVidia Shield a lot more. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this of home entertainment, mobile phone type stuff, hit the subscribe button and hit the notify button so you will be informed when I release a new video. Hope you all have a good day. Catch you in the next one.